Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of today's rainbow bouquet locations and where Doris is in Heartopia. So today is the 1st of May. So the first bouquet is here. So if you go to the forest island, and as you can see, there's like this blue tent, the Maltese tent. If you go on these rocks, you'll see the flower bouquet here. And here is the exact location of it. The second bouquet location is near this lake. So I'm just gonna wait here. It's going to go here anyways. Just gonna jump. And it is located exactly here. And for the Doris location, she is located, wait, where did she, oh, right here. So like in this area. And the third rainbow bouquet will always be in front of your house, so you are just going to want to check on that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.